Hey guys,
Hi.
Aaron here, Brian behind the camera.
Hello.
We found something very interesting.
Yes.
So we decided to make this a separate video.
All by itself.
We're at the Tampa RV show, and we're in one of the exhibitor buildings. This one is normally just absolutely mobbed with people, but it is industry/media day, so there's really nobody here. And we're just kind of wandering around, poking around, and this thing caught Aaron's eye because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 captain's chairs behind this. So obviously, it's like a super. It might be a Super B. It's definitely a Class B. It's on a Mercedes chassis. It's Coachmen SRT.
Yeah.
So you can kind of get a sense of the layout here. So it's an RV, but it's not because there's no shower, but there is a toilet. There's a sink. So we're gonna get to some of the detail. Go ahead.
So like this, I'm thinking this for this kind of thing is like if you have to travel somewhere really far that you go to often, or like when you go on vacation, it's really, really far when you don't want to fly.
Yep.
You take this because you're going to like a hotel or you're going to a resort, but it's a 30-hour drive and you don't want to have to stop all the time.
I mean,
This is fantastic for larger families.
yeah. So let's just kind of go front to back.
Holy moly.
So cab, right? It's the Mercedes B front end.
Yeah.
Super nice plush seats, ventilated, all the, it's what you're
It's
paying
nice.
for. I actually don't know the price on this thing.
I have no idea.
I guarantee you it is
It's a lot.
It's north of 300, maybe north of 400. We'll find out.
I don't know. Okay, we were wrong. The price, $179 at the show. Like they're debuting this at the show today.
So normal front end. That's not why we're here.
No.
This is why we're here. Because normally in a Class B, like
You might get
Literally-
two seats like right
literally
here.
any of these, you'll have like weird little bench
Two little
things
tiny seats.
or like a jumper seat right
Yeah.
there. There will not be a seat here because there will be like a countertop here for kitchen
Yeah.
cabinets and all that. You guys have seen them.
This is a road trip vehicle.
This is a road trip vehicle, like a road trip boss.
Yeah.
Because we have 3 kids, so we could have 1, 2, 3 in any configuration of these 4 seats.
Yeah, and I can sit back here.
And I bet you these seats come out.
They might.
Yeah, like I bet you could take one out. Like if you didn't ever need that 4th seat.
And you needed
or-
like luggage or
Yeah.
something.
So there's
These
4
seats
seats.
are so comfortable.
I haven't actually climbed
Come
up
on
in
up
here
in
yet.
here. It's,
So here's the view back from the cab.
I mean, you could even sit
I'm gonna
in the
go
back,
full
too.
wide here. Hold up. There we go, full wide. So that seat has a little like airplane tray and a cup holder. That one has a cup holder and a flip up table. Cup holder, flip up table. This one might be on the door.
Yeah, I
I
think
can't
it
really
is.
tell. That might actually be kind of dangerous to have that on the door because if you try to open it.
But every single seat, most of them have their own control device.
Yeah.
The Victron, is that what this? Not Victron.
I don't know what
I
this
don't know
is.
what this is, but
Oh, it's a Garmin.
Garmin. There you
Yeah.
go.
Okay. So I don't know what those all do,
They have little chargers right
but
here.
they do each have them.
You each have like a little.
Oh, little
charger.
wireless charger. Yeah.
See my phone
And little
working?
controls. Let's see if it works. Yep.
It does.
It charges. Yeah, so those all have those. Not exactly sure what they do. They all do massage.
Yes, and they flip up. Like you can recline in them.
Oh, this one has the batteries on it and the water tank. So you see there's fresh gray and black in this thing. Interesting.
So many windows.
All the windows.
All the windows.
I feel like I'm in a really small airplane.
Yeah.
Like in a little actually no, this is bigger than a little Cessna.
Yeah.
But this feels like a little airline.
It's very nice.
Let me see this. Oh, those are tight. So there's more power and stuff up in here. It did say on the options menu outside that this can come. Oh, wow.
Hello.
Almost ripped my hand off. That's interesting.
Strong.
That you can get this with Starlink and cover the roof in solar.
Yep.
I'm assuming it's the high power in motion Starlink, which would be amazing for a road trip vehicle.
Yeah.
So working my way backwards, there's these 4 seats. They all have seat belts built in. They all
Yep.
massage. I guess they might do heat or whatever.
They do
And
recline.
they do have latch systems in them. So if you have car seats,
Yay.
you can put one there, put one there. Yep, that one. Yeah, they all do.
Excellent.
So they all have latch.
Good job.
Looks like there's speakers.
There are
back behind
speakers
you.
back here. There's a TV behind your head. So you can
Oh.
just put that on and they could be watching a movie.
Yep, with big
Big
like
speakers.
mid-range speakers, and there's a bunch of air vents for ventilation. Okay. Going back this way, it looks like there's some kind of illuminated panel on the roof here.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got 2 benches. The thing outside said power reclining.
Yes, so you can
they
see.
probably close up.
So this is up forward. You can see all of the electrical behind here,
Oh.
and where they
Was that the
like
batteries?
bend and stuff.
Oh no,
No,
that's
it's just electrical wiring.
Okay. So I'm guessing that
This will come together.
flat and make like
A bed.
a king size bed.
Let's go
clean.
with a double.
Oh, there's a couple more cup holders, another wireless charger. Same on this side. Okay, so
I don't see seatbelts back here, but that doesn't mean that there aren't.
there probably aren't. Not
Yeah.
if it's a motorized recliner to
Yeah,
go flat.
probably
There's
not.
probably not seatbelts, but great place to hang out
Yeah, while you're
when
sitting.
you're stopped, and
Yeah.
you have windows, like we said, all around.
And then back
More
here.
speakers. So back here is what makes this
Ooh, that's very
kind of the
loud.
ultimate road trip vehicle.
Yeah.
Again, I bet you this thing is crazy expensive, and
We'll put the price on there,
Yeah.
and you'll know how much it is.
but it has a sink.
It does.
It has a fridge. Is there a microwave? Look to your left.
Yes.
Okay,
there
so
is
there's
like
a microwave. So
popcorn
I will come
microwave.
through here in just a second. So sink, fridge.
A little bit of storage here. A little bit of storage up there. Brian's coming all the way out
Try not to fall out
to the back.
And there's a teeny little microwave.
Yep, right here.
And there's a macerator toilet.
Yes. Very nice.
Very interesting.
Yeah.
I'm gonna step down before I fall down. Oh,
So there's no shower or anything like that. So you're not staying in this for long periods of time without a bathhouse nearby, depending on how often you shower.
I mean,
But
wonder how big the tanks are, because you could travel 3, 4, 5 days in this.
yes, I agree. This is nice.
Yeah, it's cool. Let's go open
nice.
that door again. I want to
Yep.
see it from the back.
Okay. It's a very
Look at
noisy
that.
door.
It really does look like an airplane.
It does.
Very cool. So this is like I said at the beginning, it's like it's an RV, but it's not.
Yeah. Definitely a very cool road trip
I like
vehicle
it. Yeah,
if you can afford it.
This is a totally different. This isn't like I sold my house and we live in this.
No.
This is
This is we love long
Yeah.
road trips and being together and then going to a destination.
yeah. All right, I'm gonna go all the way to the front.
Okay.
Ooh, it's a little tight. Gotta go sideways through here. Okay, looking back.
Hello. I'm going to sit down so you can see. Oh, these seats are so comfortable.
That's neat.
I would sit back here so I could watch movies with the kids
Yeah.
while you drive.
Yep, that's my life.
But you know what? I would drive this.
Yeah, I mean it's basically just a big
It's just
van.
a big van.
Yeah.
It's like my minivan on steroids.
You definitely wouldn't back this up though,
Probably not.
because you barely back up your minivan.
Probably not.
All right, I'm gonna try and find some numbers on this thing.
Alrighty.
Here, hold this.
There's a sheet in the front, but I didn't see all the numbers.
Oh gosh, this is definitely more for children to maneuver in the back
I came
here.
in and out just fine.
All right, here we go. It's features. Power lift tables. Touchless. Okay. All-terrain tires. Okay. I don't see any numbers about tank sizes or anything.
Oh, there's stuff on that sheet.
Yeah, it's the same stuff that was on the other. So Starlink Mobile. Yep. Okay. Dual power 50-inch sofas. Neat stuff.
I like this.
Yeah.
I mean, this is not in our budget, and a minivan works fine for us.
And we're
but
a few years away from not having to tote around so many
Correct.
kids. So
correct. I mean, you say a few years, but it's like 10. It's a long time. Ben is only 8.
yeah, but we'll be down to 2 kids soon enough.
We will.
Yep.
We
Interesting.
all need something to say,
Cool
but
thing.
this is very cool, especially if you have a big family and a large budget.
Yeah. Alrighty.
I like it.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.